Well, hello friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. If this is your first time here, you love this content, click the subscribe button, turn on your bell ringer, and you should not miss any notifications. If you turn on all your notifications, just letting you know. So this video is about the tutorial that we just did when we did this video right here. Now, when it comes down to pricing your items, these are some things you want to take into consideration. Now, let's be honest. When it comes down to your prices when you are selling decor. Now, I'm not talking about wedding planning and all those other things or being an event planner. That is totally different. That is what our one-on-one classes are for. Now, I do get in depth when it comes down to those classes because I want you to learn from scratch all the way up to you feeling as an expert, okay? So know that the first thing you need to take into consideration is how long does it take for you to do one simple design? Like this design we did right here. How long would it take you to do that design? That's one thing you need to ask yourself. Now, a lot of individuals think that time is not significant to it, but it takes, it's a huge factor with it. I would love for you to take that with you about the time thing. And also another thing to think about is the construction of your item. So you want to be mindful of the construction when you're delivering something or making something for a client. It has to have a massive, strong construction. That has a lot to do with your prices as well. People can tell if things are from the Dollar Tree, okay? So I'm just going to throw it out. They can tell when it's from the Dollar Tree and you're trying to charge them $100. So those are two tips I want to leave for you all. Now, if you have any more questions, feel free to just email me at Latisha, designingwithlatishamckinney.com, or you can just check that pin out down below. If you have anything that you want to just leave for anybody else in the comments, just let me know. Just leave it comment friendly. All right, everyone. I hope I answered some of you guys' questions. And until the next one, I will see you all soon. Blessings.